everyone, I am recording again this video but in English for whom are not able to understand Urdu and Hindi. So this video is for teenagers and also for any age group of ladies. So I will tell you about some beauty products and tips which are very useful. So I start with face deep cleanser which you can buy easily from any store. But this pink one is very effective to remove deep dust from your skin and also helps to remove blackheads after cleansing with this. Apply a strip. After removing a strip you can see the result, but shake well before you can see, and you can see white particles in this. Now I will tell about face wash. This face wash I bought from Face Shop. This one is cherry one. It gives you fresh and radiant skin. It is enough for 7 to 8 months, but I also recommend for 10 skin. The face wash is Rice Water Bright Face Wash, which is very good for teenager girls and also working ladies. But apply 2 times at least, and it is not very costly. Face Shop is in almost every mall, and I will also upload the picture of Rice face wash in the end of this video, so you can easily buy from the shop, and both face wash are very good. Now I will tell you about one face pack which you can make easily in home, and it is for 12 years to adults who can use this face mask for glowing skin. And this face mask for glowing skin, dark spots, dark circles and wrinkles also. So first you will take 2 to 3 tablespoon honey, or you can add less amount according to your requirement. Then add 2-3 teaspoon lemon juice. Then mix it well. Then almond oil. I have the original one. You can see the paste in the bottle, or you can whatever almond oil you have. Now I add 3 drops of almond oil in this, and again mix it well. Apply this pack for 15 minutes and don't go in front or in the kitchen. Then remove with cold water or with face wash, which I show you. This pack you can use 14 to 15 days continuously, then give gap and again repeat same method. Or you can use 7 days, then give gap, then 7 days you can use it. It is especially to be bright as well. If you have pimple problems, you can mix aloe vera gel in this. I use this one. I also bought this from Face Shop, but you can use any one. Only 2 to 3 drops are enough for it, and same method you apply with this. It is good for pimples also. Now I will tell you about one cream. Its name is Dream Wedding Facial Cream. It is almost 89 to 98 dirham something. I bought it last year. Only 4 to 5 drops cover whole face and give you whitish and glow look. It is especially for teenagers and office going ladies. You can see the difference, but apply half hour before leaving the home. Now I will show you the result. You can see my hand color. Now I will apply this, so you can see the difference in my both hand. I will mix it again in my hand, so I will show you the difference more. It is very good. I bought it from Abu Dhabi Coop. You can buy it from there, or you can buy it from online also. Now I will show you the same and the result. You can also see this one is very effective. Now I will tell you one tip about foundation. You can take any foundation whatever you use. This is liquid face wash, liquid foundation, sorry. So you can take any liquid foundation whatever you use. In this tip you are not must to use primer. This work very best. I take 2 to 3 drops of foundation. Now you can see the quantity of foundation. I will add almond oil again in this. 2 to 3 drops almond oil. No matter how much quantity you are taking of foundation, 2 to 3 drops of almond oil is enough. So I add 2 to 3 drops of almond oil. Now I have mixed it. You can see the quantity difference, the texture of foundation you can see, and it also gives you glowing effects in your foundation. Whenever I use this tip, my friends and family always ask what foundation you use. You can see the glow, and it is long lasting foundation. After adding almond oil, it gives you glowing effect in your base, not break anymore. And after having heavy foundation look, I always have pimples problem, but this almond oil work very nicely. I won't have pimples anymore. And you can take in your small finger almond oil and massage on your dark circles every night, so in circular motion, so you can see the lighter dark in your dark circles after 30 days. At least apply 30 days. This is the face wash which I was talking about in start.